start the recording. Okay, the record is on. Let's go. Okay, NASDAQ guys. I'm going to look for clean pairs that don't have anything, and I will teach using them. Right, NASDAQ today. It looks like it can bounce back till here before it sells. We just have to see. Right. Yeah, I'll add Mora. Mora uses the WhatsApp group more than me, so I'll make him admin so he can add you guys. Right? Okay, let's do this, né? Let me show you. Right? Let me show you. I want a clean pair so we can analyze it together. Then I'll show you how I decide on a trade on things like this. So let me go to this brother right here. Okay, let's start the NASDAQ course basically, because I want people who are on YouTube who watch this video late can understand whatever we are teaching today. So right now, guys, I'm going to show you things that affect the NASDAQ move, right? And how I basically trade NASDAQ, right? So the first thing I'm going to focus on, guys, when I wake up, I look at what the DXY is doing. Right, the DXY is basically the strength of the dollar. If the DXY is buying, that basically means that the dollar is strong. So any pair against the dollar is seeing flames. Right? If the DXY is buying, this brother is buying, is doing this, it's going up. That means any pair against him is seeing flames. Right? Which it also includes things like NASDAQ, right? Which includes things like NASDAQ, things like gold, things like US30, things like US 500, Euro USD, GBP USD. They are all seeing flames, right? Basically means that all those pairs that I mentioned will be selling that time, right? The DXY. So the one caveat that's really important when you're trading like indices like NASDAQ, right? NAS100, you call it NAS100, right? NASDAQ is just the one that chows your money like gold, right? NAS100, US30, US 500, right? They have a caveat because they also have stocks. So sometimes the stocks can fight with the DXY, and when you're basically looking at the DXY at that time is telling you that it's strong, and you are a trader, you're just saying, okay, the DXY is strong, that means NASDAQ will be selling today. That's the problem right there. So that's why we go to the stocks and also look at them. Let me remove this, brother. Right? You go to the stocks and also look at them. But the stocks start moving, né? The stocks start moving 3:30. So that's why right now I'm basically waiting for 3:30. So if when 3:30 hits, the stocks, there's what we call a 30 minutes something. The stocks have to be, what do you call it? They are not balanced. They have to be balanced. So you wait for 30 minutes because they'll be spiking up and down because they're still looking for that balance. After 4 o'clock, they're stable. Then you can trade them, right? But the stocks, if they are red, they're just basically telling you that the market is selling. So basically, yesterday, the market was buying because you can see all of them were green. Only Tesla was red, right? So basically, the market was buying yesterday. So if you can go to tomorrow, before the stocks closed, give me a minute. Before the stocks closed on our brother NASDAQ right here. On our brother NASDAQ right here. I want to see something. Yesterday was 28, right? You see, NASDAQ bought like crazy. Look at this move. You see, look at how crazy this buy was. So today, what manipulated the market for this crazy sell that you see here, it was the DXY, right? So when the market is still closed, when the stocks are not showing you any signs, right? Just before 3:30, you can trade NASDAQ using the DXY, because the DXY today, let's look at the DXY today, right? The DXY, 11 o'clock. Was it 11 o'clock? Nah, let's start where it started going crazy. The DXY at 9 o'clock started buying, right? I believe Boma NASDAQ and all this Boma NASDAQ on all this brothers. 9 o'clock went crazy as well. Let's look at the 9 o'clock time. See the 9 o'clock here. We see the sell that was caused by the DXY 9 o'clock. So you just basically use the DXY to gauge your trade. So every trade that you know you are using, like, it's against the dollar, right? Any pair that you are using that is against the dollar, basically. Always check what the DXY is doing. I use XNAS, brother. I use XNAS, right? Just always, all the time, look at what the DXY is doing. But 3:30, we are using DXY and we are using stocks to determine our NASDAQ trades, because it's where it's not to make sure the market is moving like crazy, man. So that's why we go there. Right, so right now I want to show you guys how to set up the stocks. I'm going to show you for NASDAQ. I can't show you all of them. Hey, they are way too much, man. So I'm going to show you for NASDAQ. So let me show you how I set up the stocks and how I use them to influence my trades. Right, okay. Number one, we'll go here. There's a website called Trading Economics. This is the website, right? Tradingeconomics.com. This is where you see your stocks. All right, this is where you see the stocks that you're going to use. If you can go to Trading Economics, on the right hand side of Trading Economics here, let me do this. Right hand side of Trading Economics. Go on the right hand side of Trading Economics, you're going to see this, right? These are basically the stocks, the commodity, forex pairs, indices. You see, stocks, bond, crypto. Right, for NASDAQ, we're going to click on indexes. You see here we have US 500, US 30, US 100, which is NASDAQ. Right, this is the one that we're going to focus on for this course for today. Right, this is the one that we're going to focus on. Right, which will take you here. This is basically showing you the graph on NASDAQ. We don't want this. We don't care about this. It's not important for us. What we want is down here, the stocks that influences NASDAQ's moves, right? This is what we mostly want, right? The stocks that influence the NASDAQ move. So we have, if you can look here on side, we have Microsoft is the most powerful stock that influences NASDAQ. Microsoft. It was Apple, but now the strongest is Microsoft. That's why you can see Apple is number 2. Right, so we have Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is number 3 for us gamers. If you know NVIDIA, that means you're a gamer, right? NVIDIA is for us gamers, graphics card things. Get it? Then we have Amazon, we have Facebook, we have Google. Alphabet is Google, guys, if you don't know. Alphabet is Google, right? We have Broadcom, that's our state shit. I don't know that, brother, right? We have what we have Tesla here. We have, I don't know this one, but it's there. So you don't take all the stocks. You take 15 or 10 of them. Because some of them are not important, man. They're useless. Right? I'll tell you why, right? You see, you're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, you can add on Adobe, right? You can end on Adobe, right? These are the stocks that you're going to focus on when you're trading NASDAQs. If you can show more, there are many useless stocks here. You see, these ones are useless. I'll tell you why. They're useless. Right? Some of them are here. You see how many rates here are here. Right? These ones are useless. We don't focus on these brothers. So, if you can go here to market cap, whatever this shit is, to market cap, you see how strong is Microsoft. Like, stock is 3 point something trillion. Talking about big numbers here, right? That's the value of this brother. It's too strong. Number 2 is Apple, 2 billion, 2 trillion something. NVIDIA, yeah, Amazon, you see how strong they are. Looking at this. When you go down here, man, it's nothing here. We're my 80 billion. We don't care about this 80 billion, 19 billion. We don't care about this, brother. We only care about the big boys here. You see the trillions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna end on Adobe. We're gonna end on Adobe because we don't need most of them down there. So after seeing them, if you're a lazy person, because some of you I know you're lazy, you don't do what I do. You can just look at you can just look at the stocks from here. You don't have to add them in your wish list. You can just look at the stocks right here and go to your trades and say, okay, they are all green. That means it's buying. So for me, I like clean things, right? I like clean things. So what I did, I went here to investing.com, right? I went here to investing.com. So I created my own, what do we call it? Wish list. Right? I created my own wish list of all the stocks I want. So what you have to do, you just have to go here to your wish list. For you to use your wish list, you have to log in with them. Basically, you just have to create an account. Yeah, you have to create an account. You can see here, this is me. I created my own account up here. You just have to create your own account. So they're going to, after creating your own account, they are going to give you this wish list, which you can also do the same thing on your phone. It's the same thing even on your cell phone. If you are a trader who uses your phone the most, you can also do the same thing on your phone, right? So what you do, you just go here. You see here at the corner, there's a plus here. Just click on the plus, right? Write the name of your wish list. Let's say NAS, because I'm teaching you how to do NAS. I have NAS, but why not? NASDAQ100. Create a wish list. NASDAQ100. Right? You have your wish list. You see now, the wish list right now is MTC, NASDAQ100. The wish list right now has nothing on it. Right? So what you're going to do is basically you're going to click here on this brother. Let's see what the market is doing when you're busy talking. Yeah, NASDAQ is really selling. I was right. Right? So you're going to go to Trading Economics. Click, you see, the first one is Microsoft. You go to your investing.com, you click here, you say Microsoft. That's it, bruh. That's how easy it is. Micro. God damn it. Microsoft. So what you're going to focus on is Microsoft Corporation value. All right. You focus on here. You want number one, guys. Microsoft Corporation. Right? You don't want these other ones here, the useless one, micro cloud. Are those useless stocks down here there? And you have to make sure that close to your stock, you have to look at the equity, and the equity has to be NASDAQ. You see here, NASDAQ. Then you click on it. Then you edit your first stock, right? And they're going to tell you each and every information about that stock. You see it, right? But we don't care about the information. I'm just teaching you the basic things that you have to focus on, right? You have this. You do the same thing. Basically, Apple. Click here, Apple, right? Apple, right? You get your Apple. Have to make sure that there's NASDAQ here. NASDAQ, you click on it, right? Apple, you have your second stock. You have your second stock. Do the same thing. I just want to add 15 with you guys, né? Let's just add 15 together, because I believe the previous one that I was using was 10. So I want to create a one for 15, and I'll delete the previous one. Amazon, NASDAQ. Okay, we got it. We get our Amazon one, right? But you have to align them by their strengths. You see, this is their strength. So you have to align them by their strengths, right? Number one, okay, number 3 is NVIDIA. We said Amazon, right? So you just have to go there, NVIDIA. Okay, number 1, NVIDIA, right? Add NVIDIA. Let me put it here. So you see, they're all looking green, by the way. Right? You're all looking green. You see them? They're all looking green. That means yesterday it was a powerful buy for people who were in the trades, right? Let's go to number 5. What's our number 5? It's Meta, which is Facebook. Click here, Meta. Click on Meta. Meta number 5. Put you there. See, even Meta was green yesterday. Ha! It was an amazing day for traders yesterday. Okay, After Meta is Alphabet. Alphabet is basically Alphabet, right? So for us, we're not going to use the C one. We want the A class one. A class. So you just go to your stocks and look. Alphabet. This is the one that we want. Let's see Alphabet. Okay, Alphabet is Google G. Okay, let's look at there. Vele Google G only. We don't want the L. That means we're going to use this one. Then we are happy, right? Google C. This is the one that we want. Google C, right? You see, they were all green yesterday, man. Go back again. Back here. I want to see the stocks, right? Alphabet. We got our Alphabet. We are good, right? We go to this one. Broadcom. That's the only thing you do. You just add the stocks here, right? Broadcom. Got our Broadcom. Broadcom, have to put them down here. These are the stocks. You see how easy it is to do the stocks, man. Tesla. Go to Tesla. We add our Tesla, right? Tesla. He's the only red brother from yesterday, né? Tesla, we add our Tesla. We got our Tesla, right? So we got our Tesla. We go again. I want to add like my first 15 with you guys. ASML, right? ASML, right? ASML, we got it. ASML, you can see here, it must write NASDAQ. Because I see other is Amsterdam, Milan, you want this one, right? Got our ASML. It was green as well yesterday. So basically, this is how you compile your stocks to your liking, right? So you have to add this one. Costco. Yo, I never knew about the Costco. Let me write the cost fair. Costco. This is the one that I want. Costco, right? So we got, how many do we have right now, guys? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We got 10 of them. You can end on 10, but for me right now, I want to end on 15, right? You can end on 10, but let me end on 12, bro. Why not, man? Add Netflix. How can you not add Netflix, bro? That doesn't make no sense, right? Add Netflix. Netflix. You got your Netflix. You see, almost all of them were green yesterday, guys. All of them were green yesterday. Okay? So, last one. Let's add the last one. Netflix. Advanced micro. What? The hell is this? Hey. Advanced micro. Hey, let's add advanced. This is it. Advanced micro tonton. This is our last one, right? We got advanced micro AMD. The spread for derive is small, bro. Small as hell. They are really small. So we got this. This is the stock. I want to delete the first one though. So, but let me drag this one on the side. I want to compare it with the old one. They're not bad. They're basically the same, but I'm deleting this one. Delete. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to use from now on. What happened there? I thought I deleted this, brother. Why do we delete this boy, man? I never deleted any stocks. I don't even know how we delete them, man. Oh, my brother. I'll just take you to the finish line. Let's see here. Delete wish list. Yes, delete. So I deleted it. So the next thing I like to do is customize. Cause I don't care about the last, the open and the high, the low. I don't care about them. I just click on customize on the corner. Let's customize there. Click on customize, right? You untick the ones you don't want. We don't want high. We don't care about high. We don't care about last, right? We don't care about which one? Open. We don't care about open. We don't care about low, right? then we say apply. That's the only thing. We don't want something complicated. We only want this one. So this is how you gauge yourself for the stocks. This is how you use the stocks. So you're going to use your stocks with your trades. Guys, bruh, I knew this thing was a sell, but it's looking more like a sell. I want to risk. I'm risking this trade. Alright, guys. Oh, but let me relax. I have a reason why. The DXY is close to this, brother. It might reject price a little bit before it goes up. Né? Let me relax for a little bit, right? But I told Muloi that this was a sell, man. There's no way this brother is buying. Doesn't look like a buy. So let me relax and see what the DXY is doing, because I believe there could be a slight rejection there before it goes our way. So right now, relaxing. I'm basically waiting for 3:30. So guys, this is how you use your stocks, right, with your trades, right? Whatever the things that the stocks are telling you, right? If your setup is telling you that price is going to sell, your setup is telling you that price is going to sell, and your stocks are also telling you that price is going to sell, that's a straight up sell. Sell whatever. Sell, Baba. Sell that thing. Sell. Right? But if your stocks are telling you is a buy and your setup is telling you is a sell, wait. Be careful. They just help you with things like this. Okay, my stocks are telling me that it's not selling, but price is selling. It's not to make sure. That's how we use them, right? To help you with your trades. Because I remember there was this time, Mora was with me on stream. The setup was showing a straight up sell, but the stocks were showing a buy. And everyone was saying, I'm waiting for the last candle to close, I'm selling. And I was like, not doing that, right? I'm not doing that. I'm not playing that game, right? And thank God I didn't play that game. I didn't sell with them, because after like 15 to 20 minutes, price went crazy. Price bought, right? Because the stocks were telling me to buy, but the setup was telling me to sell. So they just basically help you with your trades. We just use them to guide your trades, right? They're just good with guiding your trades. You're like, okay, Val, it's time for me to sell. The stocks are telling me to sell. My setup is telling me to sell. I am selling, right? The DXY is also telling me to sell. I am selling, right? It just guides you. It's just extra confirmations. We just use them for that, right? Your stocks are telling you that you should sell. Give me a minute, man. Your everything is telling you to sell, and that's where you use them to sell, right? That's where you use them to sell. That's why right now everything is telling us to sell, but you can see I'm cautious. I'm not selling yet. I want to see what's going to happen 3:30, right? I'm cautious. I'm just basically waiting to see what's going to happen 3:30, because the stocks can still come out strong, and all of us, we are busy selling here, and the price fucks us up. Price starts going up like crazy, because Vele, our setup was showing us sells, but for us, we are impatient. We just sold, and now price is killing us, right? But if you are seeing a sell before 3:30, you can trade only using the DXY. You can trade NASDAQ only using the DXY. If the DXY is powerful, that means NASDAQ is selling. If the DXY is selling, that means NASDAQ is going up, right? They are opposite of each other. Whatever the DXY is doing, if the DXY is strong, NASDAQ is selling. If the DXY is weak, NASDAQ is going up. That's how these things work, guy. That's how you use your information, your stocks, your fundamental side to help you with your trades. Right now, this was the reason why that they are all buy right now, because it's not 3:30 yet. You're going to see the real results 3:30, right? The real results 3:30. 3:30, when 3:30 hits, the stocks are telling us a different story. If the stocks are still saying that we must buy when it's 3:30, I'm going to relax, because I am seeing a sell, Mina. Guys, because the stocks are better than the DXY. Promise. If the stocks are showing a powerful sell, Baba, the market is selling, no matter what. Right? So you can see here, I have for NASDAQ, I have for US 500, right? I have for US 30. I have to add a few more for US 30, right? I have for US 30, right? Then I have for German 40, for people who trade German 40. German 40 was red yesterday, right? I have for UK 100. I haven't added shit yet. I want to add stuff here, but I have for German 30, right? So if you can go to German 30 right now, you see it's red here. If you can go to German 30 right now, right? German 30, German 40 is basically telling us that it's selling. German 30. I want to show you the power of the stocks, guys. I want to show you how strong these brothers are. You can even use German 40 because it's basically using the same thing. Give me a minute. Stocks are showing red. Let's see how German 30 was performing today, man. Look at this, man. You see how powerful the stocks are. You see how powerful the stocks are. By just looking at the stocks, I said German 30 was selling, and look at this sell, bruh. Because the German 31 is open right now. You see how strong the sell is. Because just looking at the stocks, we already knew that German 30 was selling. We have no setups in place. We have nothing in place. By just looking at what the stocks are telling us here. The stocks are basically telling us that German 30 is selling. Or German 40. Doesn't matter. They look the same. German 30, German 40, they move the same, bruh. This is German 30. Let me just add German 40. I just want to show you that they look the same. Some people don't know because some when I'm on stream, someone like, hey, check German 30. Hey, check German 40. I'm like, bruh, they are the same thing. What's wrong with you? Right? Right? So let's go to German 40. You see, basically the same thing. You see, let me, vice versa, play around with them. You see, they're the same thing, bro. Stay at night. And it's basically the same thing. I trade German 30 most of the time when I'm waiting for NASDAQ to move. And NASDAQ is not moving. And for goodness sake, I didn't trade this, brother, and it looks so beautiful today. Man, damn it, man. How did I have to edit in my indices. Let me edit. German 40. I have to add this brother on my indices, bro. Because I'm losing money here. I'm losing money. There's money here. It's only money that I want. I want money. Finish up now. You see how good they look. Just you see how powerful the stocks are. So when you're trading all this time, always use your stocks to guide you with your trades. Stocks are powerful, guys. Stocks are powerful. So that was the NASDAQ course. You see how easy the NASDAQ course is. It's just showing you that using stocks could help your trades. Alright, so guys, if you enjoyed the whatever I was teaching right now, just give me WWE. And if you missed whatever I was teaching out, you can just go to YouTube. I'll post this thing later, and you can just watch it at your own time, man. You can watch it on your own time. Okay, I'm finished. Let me end. Let me stop the recording.